Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of No Orientation Programming. I'm Joe, and today we will work on our gaming server. As last time, uh, we have a lot of to dos. And yeah, let's see, what did we do last time? Oh, yeah. Um, I have a lot of ideas. So, let's start with the resources. I want to remove, I already did, remove the to-dos from the wiki page because I don't want uh, to organize the same information on two sites. So one moment. So um, I want that the version information, which functions are in which version of the application. I want to uh, have this information in the application itself. So I created another resource file. It's called history, and this is what we did last time. Only 3 points, but big points. Uh, Very cool stuff. And of course, we will use the resources today for the history. And yes, so send a bot messenger if gaming on this. Yeah, so mm, these two to-dos will be next, and hui, I have to warm up. Uh, there is an define in some places. And I want to create another file so I don't forget it. Licenses. I want to have the license information in the resources as well. Uh, let's see, version uh, resources version and resources license. Okay. Perfect. Step by step. I think uh, resources version, and then yep, app version, function app version. I want a function that reads this history file and tells me what is the last version, and that's the current version. So okay, we will have another version today, and we will implement stuff. So okay, I create the function in the libgaming, in the gaming library, and let's see here, standard string app version. Okay, that's fine. So millis. Cool. Now history, yes. As soon as we add the file in the resource directory, we can get the data from it by including this header file, and then const resource pointer pres help p not find version. P version is resource find, and the resource is called history text. If not p version, if we didn't find this file, then return mm, oh, this maybe reaches end of non-void function. Yeah, fine. Return string of p version. Oh no. Of no, p version. Yeah. Const const char pointer p. I will make it quite easy because I just want to find this string. P version start string is yep. P history, and we want to find in the history file, we want to find this string. I think this is easier for the algorithm. I just need to find t. If not p start, same. Oh, string r. Okay, return error string Perfect. So, let's see. If we didn't find, this is a impossible situation, I think, but we don't want to crash. So, if we have found t, then we should be able to find this new line as well. This is a very simple file. This file isn't changing the format, so I think it's okay doing it like that. And then I make a string version, and hopefully I can create this string by putting in version start and p version end. Hopefully this is working. Let's see, string and C++, and the constructor of string has string post. What's that? Okay, this is it, I think. Yeah, what we should use, and the length is size t len is version end minus version start. Let's see, len. We can simplify this by just making here a string on the fly. I think it's working. Let's see. Oh no. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, yes. See string char, find a character in a string. Yeah. Why not? Why isn't this working? No matching function call. Ah, of course. Yeah. This is a resource. So I need to p source. Okay, I think this should be correct. Name, size, yeah, p source, p data would. Okay, fine. So we find in the history file the t, and then from the start we find the next new line, and this is the range for the version, and then we get an version. We get the version. That's fine. So we can now remove this static define that I have to change all the time. That's annoying. And the cool thing is that if I clear to-dos, I can put it from the wiki page into the application, and that's fine. Because then this to-do is in the application. That's fine. So I have 2 places left. Yep. The main CPP, the version should be app version, and we need lib gaming and the same here. The version, app version, lib gaming, fine. Okay, and I think there must be another, yeah, here, location, and this is in game selecting, the version. Yep. Then message plus equal app version. And that's it. Cool. Perfect. Perfect. Now this should compile again. Oh, almost. Expect some time. Yep. In. Yeah. Then this should work. Fine. Okay, perfect. Now we compile this stuff again. Yeah, cool. Let's see. I enter the game and perfect. And that's it. That's very cool. That's very cool. It's very cool, yeah. Server version, support the keys. Okay. Now. Oh, I love this frame. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. We have finished function app version. What do I do? So, what am I doing? So, resources version. Nice. Function app version. Okay. Now, it's very likely that we want to show bigger text files like this, and now we can be more flexible. This is so cool because I can make this more beautiful and see, connect for matching. I can group the stuff a little bit. That's fine. Frame. And here as well. Okay, perfect. Now, this is way better. So, and we keep track of what is changing, what functions did we get last time. So, I want to display this. I want to display this text file, but at first I commit the stuff. add this license file and gaming use version from history.txt. Okay, perfect. Next thing is I want to be able to show the I will make this point first, and then I need another to do. I need some process that is showing the user some menu for personal and game data. Let's see. Gamer area. I have to get the proper name, but let's see. First, licenses. I can keep this file open. I can keep this file open. So, licenses. I'm printing the licenses already in the main CPP, and I want to license print. Haha, perfect. And this should be in a file. License text. Yes. Perfect. I think we can omit this and so did we forget something? Later we will no. I don't want to call it licenses. I want to call it dependencies text file. And perfect. Depths. That should be okay. JSON CPP. tclap. And later we will use libcrypt. Libcrypto, I think. What's the difference? Oh, there are multiple versions here. They are unrelated. Oh, yeah. OpenSSL. No, I need libcrypt, I think. or do I need the crypto? Let's see. Open SSH. Let's see. Oh yeah. Open SSH daemon server dependencies. Let's just download the stuff from GitHub. Come on. Yeah, that's it. And I just want to lib open SSH. Okay. Come on. Ooh. They make I think I need this. MD5 DS similar for one-way hashing. Oh, come on. Lib crypt. I'm a complete cryptography noob. How is this called? Del. No, not Telnet. Dil. Yes, that's it. What I'm looking for. Lib. Sleepy cat license. Oh, cool. Written in C++11. BSD licensed. Cool. Public key cryptographic standards. Um, cryptic. Mhm. Diffie-Hellman, yeah. Sounds fine. What license do we have? Sleepy Cat. What's a Sleepy Cat? I have never heard about the Sleepy Cat license. Okay. Okay. Let's see this another day. Let's check this another day. Block cipher algorithm. But this is a cool. This is a very cool. Very cool page. So. Okay. That's fine. Fine. Perfect. Okay, let's see. We have two dependencies. This is enough at the moment. And we want to display that stuff. In main CPP, and that means we need perfect license print. Const resource pointer p licenses is resource find dependencies txt if not found return. Perfect. Otherwise cout p source. I'm not sure if this is working. Does not name a type. Okay, fine. Resource. Of course. Let's see. Looks fine. Let's see. Okay, gaming licenses. Haha. Perfect. Almost. Dependencies. Ninja. That's better. That's cool. That's cool. Perfect. Okay. Fine. This is done. And now we have resource dependency. Oh, that's strange. Switching from VI to a normal editor. This wiki needs a VI mode. Okay. Cursor. No. first I need this gamer area process, and this means lib gaming. Lib gaming, that's done, perfect. Games. No, not games. Game interacting. This is some game interacting stuff. Yeah, perfect. I want to add another help to file help interacting. No. Hey, help game selecting. Oh, come on. Oh, I have to commit. Main CPP gaming use perfect. Help game selecting, and I will use version. I will use this stuff for here. Oh, okay. Let's see. This needs to be a static text, so I remove the server version. I just can use this, yeah. And yeah. I will remove the dynamic part and keep the static stuff in the file. Okay. Oh, come on. I have a new mouse, but I didn't switch it today. Okay. Nice. Perfect. Cool. Looks fine at the moment. Cool. Now I have that file as well. No. 1 moment. I need to remove that. Yeah. That's fine. Okay. And yeah, perfect. Okay. Misc refresh a new key will be introduced, and this key should be the gate to the gamer area. The options button, settings, profile settings, profile game, profile game settings. Something like that. Okay. And now server version. Fine. I say const resource pointer p help is resource find help game selecting p underscore txt if not p help return. Nice, perfect. And now I can say message plus equal p help p source. And this should be it at the moment. Yeah. But okay, for one moment this is okay, perfect. Now lib gaming, there is something missing in lib gaming, I think, because this is quite useful. I will use this very often. So now I can remove the other include. Oh no. In. I have it in lib gaming. I don't need it here anymore. I have it in connect for gaming. I have it in main CPP. And that's it. Environment. Oh, no. Let's keep it that way. Perfect. Now I should be able to compile this stuff. Yeah, nice. The help page should be the same or not. Oh. Game selecting not found because it's a new file, and every time I add a new file, okay. Oh, come on. We have different. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Then phelp. I will convert this string to a list, gaming list. I'm quite exhausted today already. I think I need some boost. Let's convert this thing with this function. I want to have a vector of strings, list lt list text help, and I say message list text from a string one moment. Let's see, that's a very expensive function, I think, but I don't care at the moment. We can improve it later. And then I need to use string. No, string. No, I need this function. Need this function first. And that's fine, okay. String to list text, yeah, perfect. And then yeah. I forgot how these functions are working. Cool. Lt help, and that's it. Padding default. Yeah, perfect. So what are we doing here? We have a string. We need it as a list text object anyway later, so we can use this function. That's fine. Nice. Let's see if this is better. Absolutely. And yeah. The padding isn't working because we have a padding already, and now it should be fine. Nice. Cool, very cool. But it's too long now. It's longer than before because the text is bigger now, and I want it scrollable, and that will be the next part. So fine. I have to create another list index help, yes, fine. The list index will be lt help dot size big. Now I need this here. Yeah, nice. And if not, No, that's not fine. That's not cool. Game selecting. That's not cool. I just need this one time. So I make a static function. Okay. A public static function. Game selecting. Yep. LT help create. And that's a static function, of course. And I have a private static vector LT help. This, yeah, should work now. And this list is here allocated here. Like that. STD. And I don't think I need the static here. Yeah, that should be working. Static function LT help create converts the data. So I just need to do this one time. And I don't think I need the static here either. And that's fine. I will use this function in the dispatching process, in the initialize function. Oh, what the hell is going on? Initializing function, that's fine. Like registering the games, I just create the help pages. Yeah, and game interacting is including this. That's fine. So I should be able to access this function. LT help, and cool. Perfect. Now this list is static. One time, only one time in the memory. That's fine. That's cool. It's created during the application startup. M index help, and yes, fine. I static variable, the static variable, and the index, the list index is for every gamer different. So cool. I think this is almost compiling. Cool. Now we are able to add this list index to the function, and as soon as we do that, we should be able to scroll the text. It should be it should be displayed in a different way now. Yeah, in a different way. In a different way. No way. So that's strange. List index lt help. Let's see. Let's create. Is it because the window is 0? Or the function is not working? Let's see. Message text while push back. Yeah. Win and print. I think the window of the list index object is 0. Win list index. Yep. The window is 0. Okay, so if we don't have a window, then we don't see anything. Ooh. Yeah. How many lines did we have? Doc frames. Server list help. We had 12. Yep. 12. Okay. 12 lines. Then let's see. We set the window size to 12. Oh, come on. But I see. Oh, yeah. I understand. I think. Hopefully. Because this is fine. This is fine. But this isn't fine. This should work. Let's see. That was a bug. A little bug. Nice. And now we see that text is a list. And this is the indicator then that the text is that there is more text to display. Oh, nice. Cool. So now we should be able to now we implement the first of all lib gaming move res include to header file. Okay. Lib gaming fix function Okay. Wow, what did we do here? Game selecting use resource use help text resource. That's Okay. Now, I want to be able to scroll this stuff, and this is done by mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Game list help, yeah, that's fine. Key, report key. So oh, 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 this is missing. If not key, then break. If let's see if we have forgotten this. I will attach it to this function. That's very important. Should never forget. These three lines are a group, and I will. I will migrate this in a slow process. Okay. Yeah, that's it, I think. Key process. If yep. Index types, message types, games, help. I think this is it. Okay. I want to go back out from the help. I don't do it as long as I don't press an abort key. I check if there is any key pressed. If there is a key pressed, then I check if the list index got changed. Then I reprint the list. I think this is it. No, why? Escape is working, but not. Ah, maybe there was an error. Ah, no. Yes. Come on. That's easy. Yep. So looks good. Let's see if we have a problem in this object in general. Nope. Working. At least here. Game selecting. I'm so stupid. Okay. No. No. Maybe this message list text function isn't working. Let's see. Uh-huh. Proc warning log. Scene. Yep. This is working. So we go into this. We go into this function and now we print this thing and oh, come on. List index offset. Index absolute. We jump to the list, to the line vector. And then the offset is not working. But why? I don't know why. Win and print. Index rel. Let's see. 4. Similar. This is a similar function. Types, games, message, game. List is easier, I think, to check. Yeah, it's smaller. Okay. Let's see. I have an offset of an absolute offset. Then I have an iterator. But why? Where is the iterator? The hell? I think this is the problem. Yeah. This line is fine. This line is fine as well. No. This should be working, I think, hopefully. Log warning. No. Warning log. Index absolute is. Let's print this thing. Debugging like a pro. The index isn't changing. Okay. Strange, what the hell? So, I think this is okay. This is okay as well. Ah, and that's it. So cool. Okay, so this is the time for the L-bound and U-bound functions. So because let's see. Message games list. This function prints the cursor if necessary. And I don't do this in a text because I don't need it here, but we still have a cursor. So everything is working as expected. Now let's see. Yeah, this is a list, and I have a cursor. And I thought this isn't working because I didn't reach the point where the offset gets incremented. And for text input, I need to be able to there is something wrong because this is strange. The win and print. Oh, come on. String padding. No, this is fine. This is totally fine. Okay, yeah. There is an upper bound for the cursor that must be reached until the list is that the offset gets incremented. So I have to make this upper bound changeable. So I call this function void win L bound. No, not window. A cursor L bound set. Cursor. A cursor can have uint. Big cursor. This is not cool, but that the cursor is 4-byte big. Okay. L bound And I have a upper bound. Cool. Size, jump, set. Now, is bound, and of course you bound. Nice. So the upper bound and lower bound is we have another bound here. So wow, okay. Okay. So the window size should be always at least 3, I think, otherwise it doesn't make a sense to have a list. Okay, no matter which size we have. So and there is a bug. M message games list, because let's see. What do we print if we don't have a big enough list? The element, the games list, key element. I think it's done in this function. Yeah, this function. Yeah, this function is protecting the bound. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that's cool. So I don't need to think about, is this legal? I'm here only and only if this p element is valid. Okay, perfect. Nice. So I don't have to make a check code in every 4. That's cool. So but now, if we change the window size, I want to have a default upper bound and lower bound. That means win set reset is this, and that's okay. win set. The upper bound, the lower bound. The lower bound should be window divided by 2. Window divided by 2. If the window is an even number, for example 6, then the lower bound is 1. The lower and then the lower bound is 3. But I want it to be 4. So, and come on, if window is smaller than 3, 3, define min size win 3 size jump it's fine, okay, then win is this. Okay. Sometimes life is hard. So, win. Okay. Okay. So, this is useless, but whatever. I think this is okay. So, if I have a window of 6, then it's bigger than the minimal size for a window, and it's okay. And the L bound, the lower bound, should be the upper bound should be 6 divided by 2 is 3, and the upper bound should be 4 minus 1. So exactly 3. That's okay. And the L bound should be 2. Should be 2. 4, 5. Because this is the index. It's an index value, and the index value starts from 0. And I want the upper bound on the 4th element and the lower bound on the third. But what if we have an odd number, like 5? Then I want both to be at 3. 5 divided by 2. Not working. Not working that way. 5 divided by 2 is truncated. It's 2. This is okay. Let's see if this is okay. If I have 5 elements, then I have the index 0, the indices 0 to 4. The centered element has the index, it's the third element, 0, 1, and 2. 5 divided by 2 and truncated is 2, that's okay. And I want the same value with the L bond, only if it's even. Then this is, yeah, no, it looks good. This looks fine. Okay. This should be the default value. And because of this code, the rest should be working already. I don't use the bounds at the moment, and we use them here in this function, in the increment function. Increment if, come on, if increment, I want to increment this stuff. And if this is bigger, if the cursor is bigger than the upper bound, bigger or equal than the upper bound, and I can increment the offset because we didn't reach the end. I want to use this function as well, because it makes life beautiful. Okay, if we haven't reached the end yet and the cursor is bigger or equal than the upper bound, then we have to increment the offset, otherwise we have to increment the cursor. Okay, fine. The same goes for the decrement function. If the cursor is less or equal than the lower bound and there is an offset, we can decrement. That's it. Okay, fine. So we have a default value for the upper and lower bounds. That should work for everything we have created so far. And now, if I set the upper bound of m index help to 0. Then we should be able to move the text immediately. I think that's it. Let's see. Okay, down is working. Oh, what the hell? Okay, let's check this again. Okay, this is still working. This is fine. So the default up and down value seem to be fine. Okay. Now help again. If I press J, this is fine. Almost. I can move down, that's fine, immediately, but I can't move up. I can't move up. Up means decrement. If I press K, yeah, if I press K and the key isn't disabled. I think that's not cool here. I want to use a const jar pointer for this. I don't want to have for this function. I don't want to plist okay p key disabled. Let's see if this is still working. Changing stuff everywhere at the same time is bad. So C string. Okay, interesting. But possible include C string. Okay, fine. Oh, let's see if this is yeah. Yeah, I think it's working. Let's see. We will test this code on another situation. So bound. I have set the U bound. Let's see how this is going without the upper bound change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Ah, wait a minute. I think I have just exchanged the stuff. Ink. If I'm incrementing. Oh, come on. Oh. I hope this is the last change of the list index object. Hmm. Let's print the stuff. Warning log. L bound is equal to stuff L U. Okay. Now. Come on. Okay. This is bad. Because they are both 6 and the window size is 12. The window size is 12. They both need to be the lower bound needs to be. Oh, come on. This can't be that hard. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 6 values on both sides. And the middle 2 elements are 6 and 7. But as an index, they are 5 and 6. So the lower bound needs to be 5 instead of 6. The lower bound needs to be 5. If not, then it needs to be, yeah, that's it. So. 5 and 6, that's fine. Okay, the other ones seem to be fine too. 13, 13. Yeah, 13. Yeah, that's fine too. The other ones seem to be fine too. Cool. Very cool. Now, if yeah, that's cool. And now, yeah, that's it. That's working. That's working as expected now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now the list should move. Oh no. No, because it's 7. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now it should move. Yeah. And as soon as I'm at 6, the list should move up again. That's cool. So every time I reach the upper bound, the offset is incremented, and as soon as I reach the lower bound, the offset gets decremented. So far so good. But now, so this stuff is working fine. Okay. Now, if I set the upper bound to 0, then the text should be incremented immediately. All the time. As soon as I press the one of the increment buttons. J, lowercase j or capital J. Because as soon as the cursor reaches the is bigger or equal than the upper bound, the cursor is 0, and the upper bound is 0 as well, and we have not reached the end, then we can increment the stuff. Fine. But we have seen that the decrement thing isn't working. Why? Because that's strange. If the cursor stays 0, if we increment, that's bad, that's bad. We can test this. Let's see, let's test this again. Help. I press J, down, fine, working. I press up, it's not working. Why? I think I will no, let's see. Oh, come on. Log, no, warning, log cursor is equal to stuff m offset. I think after this extension, the class should be finished, hopefully. So, I can't imagine anything else in this class. So, cursor is 0, offset is 0. I press down. Mm. Mm. Come on. So, if not cursor, don't decrement. Okay, that's now it's no, it's fine. Okay. Now I understand why it's not working, because the cursor stays at its position. Hmm. But I have to. I can make it like. Hmm. Let's see. Let's see. I could execute the above code. And so I will reach this line. That's okay for me. The offset. Yep. Yeah. Else, if and cursor. Oh, let's see. Oh, I think this is fine. Oh, else, return false. If you are able to change the offset, do it. If not, try to change the cursor. If you can't change anything, then return false. I think this is it. Oh, nice. Oh no, what's this? Oh my god. Oh no, oh, come on. If, else, bool can ink cursor is equal to, I think this is called like this, and the cursor can be incremented if it's smaller than the window size -1, and it's smaller, m cursor is smaller than m size -1 as well. Okay, can I increment the cursor only if the cursor is smaller than the window size and smaller than hard U-bound is the minimum of these two -1, and if the cursor is smaller than the hard upper bound, then that's cool. That's cool. I want to increment when do yep yes. Oh, that's fine. Oh, I think that's cool. Yes, come on. I think this is quite clean. Hmm. No, come on. Oh. I don't want to. M win smaller than M size. Return M win, otherwise M size minus, because I don't want to include this stuff, and a log, warning log. Okay, this should be it. Oh, this is fine. I don't want to add 2 lines for this -1. So the hard bound is either the window size or the size of the list. As long as the cursor stays in under the hard bound, I can increment the cursor. If I can't do anything, yes, then return false. The offset has a higher priority than the cursor. But yeah, it needs to have a higher priority, but is this okay? What if yeah, this is okay, yeah, this is okay. Because yeah, the list gets moved, and then if this isn't possible anymore, then we move the cursor. Moving up, fine, fine, fine. Moving down. So, and now we have another problem. No, this is okay. Yeah, cool. Oh, the head. Yeah. We also have to set the lower bound. That's okay. This isn't strange. Okay. Fine. And now? Oh. No. Come on. The upper bound should be 12 or something. Because it needs to be at the top. And if we set the U bound, the L bound and the U bound, the lower bound we need to say if bound is greater than or equal than the window size -1, I think. Then if it's smaller, then we can set the U bound, otherwise we have to set it to the window size. If I have a window size of 6, then I have the indexes 0 to 5. This is okay as well. We can set 5 as valid index. Strange code, but -1. But I think it's okay. Strange code, but I think it's okay. So, the same here. And now we have to use win size min. Okay, I think this is fine. And now your int bound. Hmm. Hmm? Strange, but okay. I think it's working. Um. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So now we have a boundary for our stuff. And oh, come on, what's this? Suggest around comparison. Oh no. Why? Why? Come on. I don't want to have parentheses here. Uh, Whatever. So incrementing. Oh, L bound. No, upper bound. The lower bound is yeah. I think I have exchanged these two. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, yes, okay. I think it's okay. Incrementing, decrementing, incrementing, incrementing, decrementing. Immediately. Oh. K and L. Oh. What the hell? a loop. We have created a fine loop. Interesting. Yeah, because something. Yeah. Okay. Ink. Because if we have size jump. The range. What was happening here? I pressed capital J and capital K. And then we had some kind of. Okay, let's see. Let's test again. I jump down. Yeah, minimal test, perfect. Kill all gaming. Oh, come on. Kill ps.ef grab gaming. Kill all minus gaming, come on. Ah, no, only working here, isn't it? Yeah, cool, okay. So minimal test. If I press J, then something very bad is happening. But why? This is strange. Something has changed. Maybe. Yes. I incremented something. Ah, but this isn't possible. What the hell? What is happening? Okay, let's see. Warning. Log. This is so time consuming. What if I just press one time big J, a capital J? Oh, now it's already working. Perfect. Only if I press capital J, this is it. This is killing the program, and we see it's hanging in the key process thing, and I think it. Why? Key process. I pressed J. The hell? Game selecting. I reach this line, but I don't reach this line. Ah, Mm, no. Yes, no. What the hell? E? Mm-hmm. So key process is hanging. If this is 0 and size jump. Ah, no. This variable is only changed in this function. Okay, so this can't be the problem. Then let's get deeper. Strange. So, mm, if k is j, it's not j, it's here. Yeah, fine. A b, a c, d. E. Oh, come on. Ah, fine. Fine, fine, fine. At least we are seeing something. C and D. Yeah, we are trapped in the for loop. What the hell? Why? Okay. M size jump. Oh, come on. M size jump is equal to. Am I blind? What is happening here? Maybe it's 0. M size jump. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Like the hell. That's a stupid error. That's a stupid error. Okay. If not at least, it must be at least 1. Come on. So, and the jump needs to be initialized in both constructors. min size jump is 1. If smaller than this, then equal. Fine. Okay, if bound, if this is if that's the case, then fine. If here the same, yeah. U-bound set, perfect. Now the jump size jump, default size jump 3. Fine, perfect. Now I can remove the processing again. I can remove this stuff. And I can remove this stuff. This was a strange error. This was a very strange error. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Nice. Perfect. So, finally. Come on. Nice. Default size. Default size. Minimum size. Window is set here. Okay, then we have size, says jump, cursor, offset. Yeah, not initialized. This should be painful. This is good. So now void text mode set. Last function for this module, this file, because this file is 260 lines already. I thought it will be a very small class, but this changed. Okay, text mode set is if text mode set. The text mode is if we set these two things, this to 0 and this to mwin. L bound set. I give you win. It's not win, so it's win -1. Okay, that's fine. That's fine for me. Text mode. So I'm using this function. I set the window size and the text mode. I can change the upper and lower bound independently, but for convenience thing, feeling, yeah, nice. Okay, perfect. And now we have to change something else. This isn't intended. So that we see we printed the cursor because of debugging. And now the final. So let's see if the other stuff is still working. Fine. That's cool. I can jump without busy loop. I can jump here 3 lines. The next should be J. Yeah. The next should be capital K. The next should be space. No. Y. J. G. Yeah, of course. 3. The next should be MISC. No, we have reached the end. It's okay. So if I go up at the bottom, the next should be C. No, R, because yeah, C isn't shown because we are in the middle. The next should be MISC. Yeah, fine. Cool, cool. Now we can have bigger texts and we can navigate through them. Holy moly, this was a journey. This was a journey. Oh my god. Okay. Now let's see what we have changed. Yeah, we've changed only a few things, but these few things, but the code looks fine, I think. I like it. Yeah, this is okay. Okay, so git add list index. Go add functions. Cursor L and U bound. L bound. And text mode set. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yes. Nope. Add help text navigation. Oi, oi, oi. So the other stuff is working, hopefully. Oh, Now I need a beer. Now I need a beer. This was a journey. Oh my god. So passing an SSH packet wasn't as hard as this list index function. Oh my god. So okay. But this is a big point. Yeah. In the history of the terminal game server. History. Cursor, L bound and U bound and text mode. Text mode. Oh, this is a big point. This is a big point. Yeah, fine. Cool. So I wanted to create a gamer area. Proof. So finally I can close this file. So this class has more function than it was intended at the first time, but it's a very convenient class. That's cool. Key help. This is fine. This is fine. Text mode. And then we can navigate. If you have a key, if you got the key, let's check if the list is changed. If the list isn't changed, then check if the user hit the board. Perfect. Game selecting. Game selecting. The help page is okay, but we still, yeah. Oh, this was very difficult. Okay. Let's see which version do we have. If this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Okay. So MISC, profile and game settings. Help. Yeah, help game selecting. And I want to change this here. Profile game settings. Profile no. Not game settings. Settings is bad. Just settings. Profile and settings. Profile settings, yeah. That's cool. Oh, amazing. Oh, this is amazing. Oh. I have to enjoy the function for a while. Jumping up and down. This is fine. This is cool. So Now I'm quite empty. Half an hour left. If the user presses, if the user is pressing the option button, that is hopefully some, we will copy this constant in the lib gaming thing, and we call it const uint 8 type key opt is this. Fine. Beautify help page. And to do. Nice. Okay. Finally. Okay. Now, if we are in the server list and we press the option button, then we are still. This is an interesting situation because we are in the sub process game selecting. The parent process is user interacting, a gamer interacting. So gamer interacting is communicating with the gamer in general, and it's starting all the processes that are needed, like game selecting. And if game selecting is started, then the user interacting process, the parent of game selecting, is waiting for the selection process to end. So it's waiting for the selection process to end. What's the function of the selection process? The function is the input of game selecting is the user connection, the socket, and the output is the output is seen here. That means come on, rest. Yeah, the input of the game selecting process is the output epsilon of a process P of X and T is, in this case, if we create a game or connect to it, this is the process, the result of game selecting. And the input is a socket. Or yeah, socket. And the output is what does the user want to create, or to which server does he or she want to connect. This is the output. of the whole process. So this is a closed function usually, but the process may end in a different way. It may end during the selection process by pressing the abort button and then acknowledging this abort. So we can exit the server at this point. This isn't classified as an error because this is a usual path that the gamer can use, or that's a usual path, a usual situation, a normal situation. This is a normal situation. Therefore, it's abort if the process gets aborted. What? Yep. Yeah, that's fine. Then we just say it got aborted, but we say the success is positive, so it's fine for us. And now we have to make something similar, and that is, in this case, if we are here in this frame and in this state and we press the option button, then we can do two things. We can create this gaming area profile settings area. We can create a process in the game selecting process, but this would be very strange if the profile and settings process is in the game selecting process. This would just be strange. We have a little dependency here. The second option is if we just tell the parent process that the user wants to see the profile page, the settings page, then we can, if key is equal to key option, then we can make a break. We can make a break. We can return positive, I think, because we don't need to set another frame, I think. Yep. One moment. If aborted, then the selection. Why is this working? Why do I have success? Why do I use a success variable? Message exit. Yeah, message exit because yeah. This is the last frame we sent, and that is needed because yeah, no, yeah, I understand. Okay, perfect. That means we can also we can return positive here because we don't need to send a frame. And we have another bool that tells us bool aborted, or so we have three situations: bool aborted, bool op options requested, opt requested. The user wants to see the options. That's it. And so this is another valid path. Creating a game, connecting to a game, aborting the selection, going exiting the server because this is like the home page of the server. And we can also just say, no, I don't want to select. It's it's aborting. It's aborting the game in a different way. No, it's not aborting the. We have to change the meaning of this variable. It's not aborted because you can abort means this process has been aborted, but it can be aborted because of two things. The user wants to exit the server, or it gets aborted because of the options dialog has been requested. That means I could do this if I stick to the meaning of aborted, but I don't want to use it anymore. I want to say application exited. Lassen. Oh. Leave. App leave. Server leave. Yeah, server. Application leave. If selection application leave, then go out. Or if the options are requested, if the options have been requested by the user, then we are not the normal way is always at the end. The normal path, the normal situation is at the end of a state, and it's either creating a game or connecting a game, and these are the exceptions. We are waiting until the game selecting process has been finished, and these are the exceptions. We didn't select a game, but we leave the application, or we have requested the options. That's it. So now that's fine. That's fine, and this should be working already. Yeah, I think this is okay. And now we have to create the profile settings options. Profile options, settings options. What do I like? Option button, option button. Options, settings. I like settings, the options button, settings button. Off bar, Chris, setting. It's almost the same, but what do I like more? Key option. The option button. Going into the settings with the option button. Yes, going into settings with the option button. I will stick to this at the moment. Yeah, disconnected. Selection start. Selection start. Okay. I will make it similar. And now the big question. How should I call this process? This will be this is important. Gamer interacting. Yeah. So state is this. It's fine. Disconnected, and this state, these states will be here. Then wait. Start. Here we have to create the process. And here we have to wait for the user, and then we have to go to the state selection start, I think. Yeah. I think this is okay. Yep. Then the server list gets reloaded. That's fine. That's okay. So how should we call this? How should we call this? What did we change already? Yes. Okay. Let's test this already. Add new result path. We can't test it because we have to name foo start foo. Let's see what's happening now. I have the server list. I can create a server. Fine. I can join a server. If somebody has created a server, then I can go here, and the second path is to join a server. Fine. I can leave the server, and I can now go to options, and if I go to options, I'm in a state that isn't working anymore, I think. That's no, it's not intended. I press options button, then I should not be able to press escape. Strange. Why? That's that's strange. Yeah. Because yeah, we have to if the process is done, we check if we leave the application. If we leave the application, we can just return positive, and that's it. Because if the root process of the gamer interacting tree is returning positive, then all the child process are shut down. But if we are not going to end this tree because we are still working, then we have to first use the result of the process and then repel the process. But if we are just going to another state, then the process, the child process, game selecting, has finished. It has a result. We have used the result, checked the result, and we have to repel it. We have to delete the child. Repel it, not deleting. If you repel a child, then it gets deleted after some time. Okay. So, and that was the reason why I think why we still had the logic working somehow. Let's see. If I press the option button, then I should not be able to press escape again. But I am. This means I'm a sad bear. Okay. Why? Let's see. If I press the Option button, then I should do it at the right place. Name set, types list, games list. What can I do? I can press this. I can check if the list has changed. I can check if I pressed here in the games list. Of course, I need to process the option button in the games list. But I am happy that I saw this because this is important. This is very important. Otherwise, we have zombie processes. This is if you don't do that, then you have a classic zombie process. Zombie process. So now, hopefully, if I press option button, hopefully the server isn't going down. But come on, game selecting, got server list, key received. Why? Am I backspace, Windows, enter, escape is okay, abort, what is abort? Come on. Cool. 71. $71 is cool. Key end. Key help. Why am I not doing this key end? What is key end? Oh, come on. Messy. Key end. What the hell is key end? Yeah, I know. If I press Control C or Control D. Key end. Key Control C. Key Control D. Key abort. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So key Control C. Now it's more. It makes more sense. So now I should do it like that. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. Now let's check again. Option. When I press the Option key in the game selecting in the got server list stuff, then game selecting games list help. I'm so stupid. Come on. Yeah, it was suspicious. Because so yeah, create or refresh options is the next thing. Help is very unusual, so to press after some time. Now it should be working. Come on. I'm already empty. If I press this button, oh, now it's working. If I press this button, then game selecting is done. Positive. Yeah, let's stick with one. Positive is defined as one. If we press the option button, then the selecting process is downshotting, and then gamer interacting process, the parent process, is repelling game selecting. Yeah, and game selecting is destroyed after some time. And then gamer interacting is removing this, and it's yeah, everything is fine. But now if I press escape, I should not be able to see anything, because now I'm trapped in a state that should execute the new process finally. Okay, and lib gaming beautify. What did we do? Haha. Game selecting. Fix option key. Check in the right state. This was the only error. So, perfect. Now we have to make something similar as at this point. Full start, and then go to another. Yep, I can just copy the entire thing, and then I have a reference. Perfect. That's it. Something similar like that. This will be a big process. This will be a very big process, because the game selecting process is quite finished, I think. Game selecting has 560 lines already. This is very bad, but okay. Message dispatching, okay. Interacting has 300 lines. Maximum should be 500 approximately. And now we make another process in the started by the interacting process, the profile and settings area, and this will be quite big, because you can set the name, you can change your name, and you will be able to do a lot of other things. You will be able to see the licenses and the history stuff, and this text, and yeah, stuff like that. See, yeah, okay. Ooh, now we should, at the moment we should, because this feature isn't finished at the moment. We should not activate this button, and then I can finish for today. Yeah, raiding. I don't want to forget to raid. So, oh, come on. And VI mode. I need a VI mode in Wiki.js. Ah, very badly. Ah. Okay, that's it for today. What did we do? Only a few points. This was very fancy. App version dependencies. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Today was a weekday, but okay. These days have to be there as well. Now I'm lazy. Save. Fine. This is fine too. This needs to be. This isn't fine. Selecting. If 0. To remember that I have to reactivate this. Yeah. Only this thing and the server version and the license text. Yeah, a little improvements have been done today. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Okay, can close this now. Reading. Who is online? What is Couscous Duck? Wie das geht. Botzler Riskfix. Huh? Huge. What is this? Let's check this game. Raid. Greifintal. Okay, bye guys. And yeah, hope to see you next time at Tuesday. Bye. Cool.